channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Yoowigs. They sent me this beautiful wig. This wig is a 13 by 6, 180% density curly wig. This hair is absolutely stunning. It is definitely virgin hair, but it is some premium virgin hair. This wig did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached already, so I didn't actually bleach the unit like I usually do because I want to show you guys their level of pre-bleaching. So for me, I think that, you know, it was definitely good enough. We didn't really do the baby hairs or secure them too much because, you know, the hair is so big and so full. I wanted to just wear it down the middle. It came in this middle part and I just cleaned up the line. So I thought, you know, I love middle parts, so I'm just gonna keep it that way. And all I did was kind of lightly comb through the wig to get it a bit fuller. The curl pattern is very beautiful on this wig. This wig is actually so pretty. Now it is in 18 inches, but it is stretched 18. So as you guys can see, yeah, it is definitely stretch length, not styled length, but that's okay because it's giving like curly bob. I think if you're looking for something like an everyday wig, this is a great option if you're not like really used to wearing super long hair. This wig is definitely very comfortable because it is a 13 by 6. I find there's like more room in the wig in general, so my head doesn't feel like really tight or compressed at all, even though it is a frontal. So yeah, I'm really loving that. So I did decide to do my baby hairs with some mousse today. I usually use gel, but I noticed like lately it's just been looking so hard and harsh, and I kind of want to move away from like the really harsh gel look. The volume on this wig is absolutely gorgeous. 180%, I would say definitely is 180%. Make this wig get bigger if we wanted. And you know me, we're gonna definitely do that. Like, wouldn't be a Kaviar Kez video review if we didn't, you know, put it to its limits. Curls are so beautiful, you guys. I'm looking at it in the mirror as I'm doing this. Oh my goodness. So this is how it's looking so far, really combed through. Yeah, so this curl goes right back to its normal beautiful curl after being wet again. So if you wanted the more defined look, you can definitely get that with this wig. She's gorgeous, you guys. I would definitely recommend. I really like how the wig looks and feels. The fact that it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked and all that, it's just basically ready to be worn. I'm here for it. I'm gonna give this one a Kaviar Kez approval because she is definitely gorgeous. If you want to know more details about Yoowigs, I'm gonna leave that in the description box for you guys. If you have any questions or you just want to say what's up or comments about this wig, let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.